days drifting away. What are you playing at? Don't open and close the door, we'll get a draft. What? And stop wafting that piece of paper. You're making it worse. This is not a piece of paper. This is our electricity bill. It's still a piece of paper and you're definitely wafting. Look, I've just got this place perfect. What do you mean perfect? Look, I've got 2 air conditioning machines, 4 floor fans, 4, yeah, 1 for each corner, duh. I've just got this conservatory cool enough to use in the summer. Aircon and fans. Is that why this bill is 10 times what it's supposed to be? You're wafting again. Oh, hang on, that makes it cooler. Keep wafting. Why do you need all of this stuff? This conservatory is way too hot in the summer. If I didn't have the aircon and fans on 24/7, you could grow tomatoes in here. I do grow tomatoes in... Where are my tomatoes? Is that what they were? I threw them out. It was like a greenhouse in here. I know it was like a greenhouse. That's how I was growing tomatoes and strawberries and you had those little green plants with a funny smell. Aloe vera. Hello, my name's not Vera. This is ridiculous. Look at this bill. That's it. Waft, baby, waft. How long is this going to go on for? Oh, just until the autumn. Well, that's a bit of a relief, yeah. And then I've bought a gas-powered heater and a patio heater and 4 electric heaters. 4? Yeah, 1 for each corner. Keep up. What? Why? Because this conservatory is freezing in the winter. Do you think I'm made of electricity? No, I thought a bloke had his hand stuck up here. We cannot go on like this. We need to call the electricity company, ask for cheaper bills. No. We need to call somebody who sells cheaper air conditioning. I mean, these things cost a fortune. No. We need to call Conservatory Insulation Specialists.co.uk. Who are they? They are the true specialists in conservatory roof insulation. I'll just get on the blower. And I don't mean the cold air blower. It's got to be perfect. You seem happier. I am so glad we called Conservatory Insulation Specialist.co.uk. Was it good? Good. It's now just the right temperature in the summer and the winter and the autumn and the spring and I got money back flogging all those aircon units and heaters. I see. So you can help me pay that electricity bill you ran up. Yes. Oh, look, an ice cream van. So what have we learnt? We have learnt that if you bake in the summer 'cause it's overly hot, then freeze in the winter, the answer we've got. There's just one solution to all of your woes. Call Conservatory Insulation Specialist.co.uk. Cha-cha-cha. Thank you, thank you. Ground nuts? No, it's just the way I'm standing. And thanks to our sponsors, Conservatory Insulation Specialist.co.uk, the experts at conservatory roof insulation and more. It's a magic product. It does what it says on the tin. We're glad you could join us. And we hope we're going to see you next time when we explore more serious reasons to upgrade your conservatory with conservatory roof insulation provided by Conservatory Insulation Specialist.co.uk. Raspberry Ripple? No, again, it's just the way I'm standing.